Today we're going to talk about the number 38. Jeff Tollison, this is for you. 38 is a very important age to be in life. And so we're going to talk about a few of the special characteristics of the number 38. The first one is that 38 is 2 times 19, which is very important because that means that it's what's called an even prime. Okay, an even prime is something of the form 2 times k, where k is one of the prime numbers. So that means that 2 times 1, where k is 1, that's a prime number. When k equals 3, 4, yeah. So k equals 19 is the prime number, and then there's our prime, our even prime, which doesn't really exist. Let me show you another one. Next thing about 38 is if you take the factorial of 38, that's 38 times 37 times 36, all the way down to times 3 times 2 times 1, and you subtract 1 from that, you get this number right here. Which is interesting because that number is the 16th factorial prime. A factorial prime is taking any number, multiplying it on down, and then adding or subtracting 1. So 38 factorial minus 1 is very important. 38 is also the sum of the square of the first 3 prime numbers. That's pretty cool. 38 is the largest even number which cannot be written as the sum of 2 odd composite numbers. 38. 38. All the rows, columns, diagonals in this magical hexagon, ordered magnitude 3, number is 38. This one is really cool. Look at it. Add like down, add across, add slanty wise, and it's up to 38. It's the only one. That's it. Magnitude 3 magical hexagon. There aren't any others. 38 has to do with the Barnett-Bosack-Lederberg graph. It is a graph on 38 vertices, which is the smallest known example of a planar 3-connected non-Hamiltonian graph. And there's 2 of them right there. 38 vertices. Ain't that amazing? A snub cube, which is taking a cube and slicing off all the corners to make triangles, gives you a 38-sided object. I'm going to make you one of them and give it to you for your birthday. That's what it looks like. Won't that be fun? The 38th parallel is the pre-Korean War boundary between North and South Korea. 38 is on the periodic table of the elements. It is the atomic number for strontium. 38 is the number of slots on American version of roulette. What are the chances? Roman numerals for 38, 3 X's, a V, and 3 I's. Super Bowl 38 was won by the New England Patriots over the Carolina Panthers, 32-29. Considered by some to be the most exciting Super Bowl ever, and is also famous for its halftime show involving Justin Timberlake and Janet Jackson. 38 is also the number of games that a Premier League team plays in a regular season, like Liverpool did this last year. 38 is also the caliber for a famous gun, which killed John Lennon. It's a Smith & Wesson 38. And what else? It's the number of years it took the Israelites to travel from Kadesh Barnea to the Valley of Zered in the book of Deuteronomy. There you go, Jeff. 38 is very special, and so are you. Have a happy birthday.